Some days just feel normal, and then some days stays with you. This was one of those days. It started like any other university trip, early morning, a bit tired. But somewhere along the way, it started to feel different. Our first stop was the mini plant in Oxford. I've seen cars in my whole life, but I've never really thought about what goes into making one. Standing there, looking at everything up close, you realize nothing is random. Every detail, every shape, someone thought it through. We couldn't film inside the factory, but honestly, that part stayed with me the most because it made me think about everything we don't see. With that, the day shifted completely. We arrived at the Ashmolean Museum. From the outside, it just looked like any other museum. But the moment I stepped inside, it felt different. There was history everywhere, art, and a sense of time that you could actually feel. Every object felt like it had a story behind it. As I walked through the galleries, I wasn't just looking at things. I found myself trying to understand them, where they came from, and why they mattered. It made me slow down, to look more carefully, to notice things I would normally ignore. And in that moment, I realized something simple. Learning doesn't always come from books. Sometimes it comes from a place like this, where history speaks quietly, but stays with you. And then Bicester. At first, it just feels like shopping, but it's more than that. It is how everything is designed to make you feel a certain way. By the time we were heading back, everyone was a bit quieter. Same day, but not the same mindset. And maybe that's what university is really about.